Look at this. Random apps you never installed. Microsoft asking you to sign in. Edge opening every single time. Like it's your best friend. It is not your best friend. Widgets throwing news at you. Notification you didn't ask for. And somewhere underneath all this mess, there's actually a fast, clean operating system. Just trying to breathe. That's what we are fixing today. This is the complete Windows 11 clean install guide. From zero to a fast, private, bloat-free desktop. No Microsoft account forced on you. No background spyware, no nonsense. I am going to show you every single step and a few tricks most tutorials just skip over. Let's go. Quick question. Why even bother with a clean install? Why not just use whatever came on your PC? Because manufacturers love loading your PC with trial software, junk apps and things that just sit in the background eating your RAM before you have even opened Chrome. And Windows itself comes with things turned on by default that honestly should be opt-in, like sending Microsoft data about how you use your computer. Yeah, that's a real thing. A clean install gives you Windows on your terms. No pre-installed garbage, no OEM bloat, just the OS. And if your current Windows is slow, buggy and just feels heavy, clean install is almost always the fix. Trust me. Alright, first thing, getting the Windows 11 installation files. Go to the official Microsoft download page. Link is in the description. You have two options. Option 1, Media Creation Tool. This is Microsoft's own tool. Download it, run it, and it will automatically create a bootable USB for you. Simple. Good for most people. And option 2, download the ISO directly. This is what I am doing. Pick your option, start the download, and while that's going, let's talk about Rufus. Rufus, free tool, tiny size, does exactly one job perfectly, turning an ISO file into a bootable USB drive. Download it from official Rufus website, link is below. Plug in your USB drive, it needs to be at least 8 GB, and important, everything on it will be wiped, so back up anything on it first. Open Rufus, it will detect your USB automatically at the top. Then click select and choose your Windows 11 ISO. When you click start, Rufus will ask you a few questions. Now we need to tell your computer to boot from the USB instead of the internal drive. Restart your PC the moment it starts. Before Windows loads, you need to press a key to enter BIOS. Which key? Depends on your motherboard. Usually it's F2, F12, delete or escape. Your screen will flash it for about half a second. So keep your eyes open or just spam all 4 until something happens. Very scientific approach. Once you are in a BIOS, go to the boot section. You are looking for boot order or boot priority. Move your USB drive to the top of the list. Save and exit. Your PC will restart and boot into the Windows installer. The Windows installer starts. Language, region, keyboard, pick yours, click next. Click install now. It will ask for a product key. If you are reinstalling on a PC that already had Windows 11, just click I don't have a product key. Windows will activate automatically using the digital license tied to your motherboard. Choose your edition. Windows 11 Home for most people. Pro if you need BitLocker or group policy stuff. Now the important part. Partition selection. You will see a list of drives and partition. If this is a fresh install on an empty drive, just click new to create partition and go. Windows will create the right partition automatically. Then click next and let it install. This takes 10 to 20 minutes. Go grab a cup of coffee. PC restarts and now you are in OOBE, the out-of-box experience. Sounds fancy, it's just the setup wizard. Pick your region, keyboard layout, easy. Now you hit the network screen. And this is where Microsoft really wants you to sign in with the Microsoft account. Like aggressively. Connect to the internet, sign in. It'll be great, trust us. Yeah, no. At the network screen, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Then type this command mentioned in the description. Press enter. Your PC will restart. And now you will see and I have no internet option. click on it, set up your local account, and you are good to go. Make sure to uncheck these stuffs. Windows is installed, desktop is clean. Now let's actually make it good. First tool, Titus WinUtil. This is a free open source PowerShell utility that does in 2 minutes what would take 2 hours manually. It is one of the most popular PowerShell tools on GitHub. If you are a Windows person, you need to know about this. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type this command exactly. I'll paste this link in the description. Press enter. It downloads and run the script. A window will open. Don't panic. It looks like a lot, but we are only using the tweaks tab today. Go to the tweaks tab. Click standard tweaks. This is the safe recommended set. Here's what it actually does. Disables telemetry. Stops Windows from constantly sending Microsoft data about everything you do. Disable Cortana, the assistant nobody asked for. Disable activity history. Removes unwanted pre-installed apps. Bye-bye Candy Crush. Disables delivery optimization. This is the thing that used your internet to distribute Windows updates to other people's. Yes, that was a real thing. Background stuff that doesn't need to run 24/7 no longer does. I'm sticking with standard tweaks. The advanced one for power users who know what they are changing. Don't touch advanced blindly. Click run tweaks. It will take some time, then restart. Next up, WinToys. This one's different from WinUtil. Where WinUtil is a command line and technical, WinToys is visual and approachable. It's basically a beautiful control panel. For all the settings, Windows Bureau is 3 menus deep. Get it from the Microsoft Store. Just search WinToys. Free. I'm using it for few specific things. Quick step. I turned off the ads in the start menu, disabled the suggested apps, nonsense in the file explorer, and turned off all the tips and suggestions Windows keeps throwing at you. Also, you can increase the wallpaper resolution from this display section. Last tool, Revo Uninstaller. Free version all you need. Why use this instead of just going to Windows settings, apps and uninstalling from there? Because a normal uninstaller leaves things behind. Registry entries, leftover folders, random files that just sit there taking up space. Revo does a deep scan after uninstalling and catches all of that. I'm going through the list and removing everything I don't need. Things like Xbox, Solitaire Collection, Get Help, Feedback Hub, anything I know I'm never using. When Revo scans for leftovers, you can pick moderate or advanced scan. Moderate is the sweet spot, but today I'm going with the advanced one. It all find registry keys, folders, the official uninstaller left behind. Select all, delete, done. Do this for every app you don't want. Your system drive will thank you. And yes, I did try to uninstall Microsoft Edge once. It fought back. Some battles you don't win, but you can disable it from running at startup at least. And this is what we started for. Clean desktop, no bloat, no Microsoft account, no random apps eating your RAM. Windows the way it should have shipped. Boot time is fast, fewer background process, and most importantly, it's your setup, not Microsoft's version of what they think you should have. All tools are free, links in the description. If this helped you, drop a like. It takes 1 second and it seriously helps more people find this video. And if you want the next part, what to actually install on fresh Windows 11 to make it useful, subscribe because that's coming next week. I'm Harsh, this is TermNode, and I'll see you in the next one.